Hi, it's Miss Grotz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use office hours. So, office hours are from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All of your teachers have office hours during this time. I have special science office hours from 2 to 3 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Go ahead and play that back if you're confused about when office hours take place. But for us to get to office hours, we need to know how to do that. So what this is going to look like is you are going to go to my Google Classroom. There's two ways to get to it from there. One of the ways is that you can press this arrow right here, and it drops down with a link to office hours. You can copy this and then paste it up here to go there. And then that's going to take you, oh, thanks, wrong link. And then that's going to take you to there. So this one, you can copy it, and then it'll take you. Another way that you can get to office hours is by looking at the weekly post. So all of the weekly assignments that I have and the links below will link you to office hours. So this is the class video meeting. You can go ahead and click on this. This might get renamed to office hours, and you can go ahead and click on this link. When you click on it, it's going to take you here. Okay, so once it takes you here, then you're going to see yourself. If I do this, then I turn off my microphone and I turn off my camera to the people that I'm joining. So I can still listen to them and I can still see them, but they can't see me and they can't listen to me. So if I'm not, let's say I'm not dressed up for school, I will turn my camera off because I'm not wearing like the appropriate things that I would normally wear at school. If I have sound going on in my background, or in general, if we join office hours, it's best to join with the mic off. I'm going to show you in a second why it's best to join with your microphone off. If I want to unmute myself and turn my camera back on, then I press on those buttons. When they're clear and there's no background behind them, then that means that these are on. If it's red, then I'm silenced and I'm off. All right, so now I'm going to join into the meeting. All right, so I've joined. This shows me who's in there. There's one person, it's just me. And then this shows me the chat box. The chat box is super handy because we can ask questions during office hours in here. Now this is great to do. I type in here and then the person, the teacher who's presenting can read my question and they can get to it when they have time. So if I want to unmute myself to ask a question, I would press this. And as you can see, it's making noise. So versus now, everyone in the chat can't hear me because my mic is muted. When I unmute it, then everyone is able to hear me and I see this noise showing me. Another way that I can see my microphone is on is I see these blue teal lines going up and down. If I mute my microphone, then it shows me that I'm not making noise to everyone else in the chat. When you're in a chat, or office hours, these can get pretty crowded and the noise that we have going on in the background can be really distracting. So I want you to have your microphone off, turn it on when you're going to ask a question. Turn it off when you're done asking the question. If you want to have your video on the whole time, that's totally fine. You can do that. Just make sure that you're wearing appropriate clothes and that whatever is like behind you in the background is appropriate for school as well. And you can turn that on or off for both of those. Something else that's going to be really helpful for you when you are doing this is to present. So you can choose to present your entire screen or a window. I'm going to do the entire screen. So right now, everyone who's in this chat is able to see the screen that I'm about to present. So if you are asking me a question, what's really helpful for me is that you're presenting. So when you're presenting, everyone else is going to see whatever you click on. So when you click over here, everyone on the Google chat is able to see your computer screen. So they're looking at your screen. I'm going to go through these slides real quick. So for office hours, so what are office hours? They're a chance for you to check in and connect with teachers and classmates. How do I log into office hours? There will be links posted in Dojo and you can click on the link and log in from your phone or computer. How convenient, phone or computer. And these are the links for all of the teachers. This is posted on Dojo. So a quick overview of what we already went over. This is how to mute or unmute yourself. If it's white, then your microphone's on. If the camera's white, then it means that your camera's on. This right here is the chat box. We already went over that. And then this is what it looks like when your camera is off and when your microphone is muted. Please make sure that you have your microphone on mute unless you are asking a question. Like I said, it can get really loud and distracting if we all have our microphones on. All right, and then check for success is just for success, and come prepared with questions for your teachers. If you are not talking, please, please, please mute yourself. It helps us help you quicker. And then take turns asking questions. Like I said earlier, one of the best ways to ask questions is to go to this chat box right here, and then you can ask your questions in here. All right, and then if I want to stop presenting, I'm going to press this. Now it's just showing a regular thing. So your teachers might ask you to present to show them what they're doing. And yeah, that's one way to get there. Another way, one last way to get to Google Hangouts for science is to go here. If you click on any of the links that say office hours, like this, and you click on this link, it's going to take you to my office hours. All right, so that is a video on how to do office hours, and this is a time for you to get to ask questions and get answers for them.